Greetings, students. This is your instruction on how to take online quizzes and online exams. Now, we all know there's a significant problem with cheating with online quizzes and exams. Tons of students find ways to use their phone. They make little notes and leave them around. And so I have some very specific requirements that you must follow in order to get credit for your quiz and or exam. Now, if you're allowed to use your notes or a note card for these online tests, you must first email them to me. Again, this depends on which one of your tests I'm taking. This is if you're allowed to use them. So if they're electronic notes, send me the files. If they are handwritten notes, you got to take pictures of each page and you got to send them to me. Then, when you start your exam, you need to show me your phone and you need to show me placing it well out of the way where you don't have access to it. So, you can show me that you're setting it down way over there, somewhere it would be out of reach, or you can place it right where I would normally see it, behind you, right? Obviously, if you're going to get it, I'd be able to see that you're going to get it. So you have to show me that you don't have access to your phone. That's number one. Number two, you also need to show me that you don't have any type of additional information around your desk. Again, if you're allowed to use your notes, that's one thing, but you need to show me all this stuff. You know, you can have stuff in your area, but you can't have papers that are going to have information on it. Again, unless it's your notes. And whether you are doing them electronically or handwritten, if you're using them electronically, you still have to print them up if you're going to use them for your test, if you're allowed to use them for your test. At which point, you got to show them to me. And this is the thing that I would really recommend is you want to have as few of notes as possible, not just because it takes a long time to go through them, not just because you want to have your notes not be, full on sentences and whatnot, but at the beginning of the test, you have to show me every page. So if you've got 100 pages of notes, you're going to eat up a whole lot of time that you have for the exam. So you got to show me. All right, and it doesn't have to be like crazy, like give me a chance to read the whole thing, but it has to be enough that I can pause the screen and see that that is actually yours. There we go. There we go. Still got a few more. I'm sure this is boring on your end, and it will be boring on my end, but this is how we make sure that we're not cheating. Any more in here? Yep. Oh, nope, there's the last page. So you can't just like flick through it, right? Can't just do that. I have to know that you're actually using your notes, the ones that you sent me. Finally, while you're taking the exam, your head needs to be at the top of this screen. You cannot take the exam like this. You take the exam like this, you don't get credit for it. I don't know what you're doing with your hands, especially, obviously, you're going to be looking down to type. You could have hidden something somewhere. Your head must remain, let's see if we can get it, must remain at the top of the screen. I'd prefer if it was more like there, right? You want to be as clear as possible that you are not cheating. If you get caught cheating, it's a 0 for the exam. If you are possibly cheating and I can't prove it, you're going to take the exam again with me, and it's not going to be the exact same exam. So it's up to you to make sure that you're making all this very clear, that you are following the rules. Good luck on the exam, and I will see you next time.